straight Beamer night tonight. That shit sounded crazy right there. I'm telling you, all Beamers. Hey, whatever else is here, because you know I don't drive a Beamer. Everybody and their mama got a Beamer, bro. Like, I'm so hurt. But it's fine, I'll get mine. I said one day. This color is fire. Headlights busting. I gotta be Porsche. Oh, yeah, that's a Porsche. Here's one. Got this nice shady right here. Wrap too. These intakes sound crazy. Back it up. This shit chopping too. This shit dumb chopping.
There's the burp.
That Porsche? Nah, this is my shit though. I said out of all these cars, I'm taking this. F8, I love these motherfuckers. Too fire. I know his paint gonna be scratched, bro. So I need some footage first before I start getting some sound. This color is stupid. With the yellow? Shit, bussin'. I love stock rims too. I said, what's that? The Audi, right? My body too. Like these clear tails. M4 right here. Ooh, drop top M4. Convertible style. That shit's fire. Oh, this a mom driving this. That shit's stupid. Hey, bro, this is stupid. Bro, that shit sounds wild. I promise y'all though, out of all of them, I'm taking this F8. F8 stupid. I'm taking the F8 over the M8, I don't give a damn. Oh. This color is stupid. Smells like gas back here. Pink headlights too. We got M2. We got ETR right here. That bitch sound like a Lambo. Ooh, V10 M5. Hey, but this though? With this damn exhaust, bro. Oh gosh. That shit is too far. Carbon all the way around. That shit mad fire. Life location. This shit hella slept on. This is like in the cut. I would have this shit for a little weekend car. Little bat wings on the side and shit. Nice ass silver. Super B. That new Dark Horse. Turn off. Oh, he got him. He got him. It's over.
Take off.
Then hear this M3 come. That's gonna get fire.
I mean, come time when I actually want to get.
Yeah, this shit is done perfectly. This John is so bright, bro. Ooh, is this a RS7? I haven't seen these in a while. Like a full RS7, and this color, stock color, is hard. That's a fire stock color. This year is unreliable. Got a thick ass tire right here. Got that Michelin. That shit huge. Drop top boys though. See how it's not zoomed in and clear? Shit is just shining. There, top down there, bro. That CSL look fire though. Damn. What the hell was that, bro? That motherfucker hurt.
What's up, buddy?
Yellow girl looking fire.
Here, about that biker right here, right here. There you go. Go.
Fire. That enough. I said I'm taking that F8 over all this. Carbon. Ain't finna do a burnout on his only tire that's on the floor. That shit looks fire. Oh shit. Bro, this shit is just shining all night. M4, Nato gray looking. Drop top M4. FA C6. M3 shining. Nice C8. I had to stop to pull over to see this shit though. This shit's stupid wild. Oh my gosh. Like bro, the way this shit is like a damn spaceship. Fire. Purple. Deep ass purple. This is fire. Look like a blue a little bit, but it's really purple. That's a fire, bro. Hey, appreciate it. You too. Carmi, late at night. Hey, we low-key late. Everything's already happening. This shit is packed. I'm gonna catch y'all. Oh, this shit clean. That's fire.
Baking soda. I got baking soda.
I will drive. Cool ass daily. Carbon shit. I'm trying to have one of these, bro. No cap. This shit with the wing. Oh. That's fire. Carbon. I wanted to do this, but I was like, nah, I'm trying to fuck with my car. Hard though. You got the LEDs on the steering wheel. But it's like an older BMW. It's fine.
None of this going.
Real carbon fiber too.
Where's Josh?
Carbon rim cap. You got that damn gear shifting, bro. This is amazing. This shit's so far. 720. Carbon hood. Carbon lip. Ooh, RSQ8. Big body bitch. One of my dream cars on everything.
Do you like that?
Oh my gosh. It's manual. Oh my goodness. Oof. It's color. It's color. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Clear tails. Clear tails. Oh my goodness. This shit sound crazy. But this though, I got that shit, bro. Oh my goodness. This shit is fire. Damn, I didn't even see this over here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This color? This color? Bro, what is this? I don't even know what this is. This shit is crazy, bro. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is fire. 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 Name me one of these. Oh. You hear that whistle? You hear that whistle?